The University of the Philippines, Los Baños, College of Agriculture and Food Science, the Institute of Weed Science, Entomology and Plant Pathology, the National Crop Protection Center, and the Museum of Natural History, we would like to thank and congratulate everyone for being part of this fruitful event. With representation from different countries, truly we have gone beyond borders, not only literally, but most especially in our academic expertise, in line with this year's theme, Auchenorrhyncha without borders. Seeing this assembly of international experts, UPLB is honored to have hosted our participants in this meaningful exchange of new ideas and sharing of knowledge and new technologies on different fields and issues, focusing on Auchenorrhynchus insects. The Mount Makiling Forest Reserve, which you have been able to visit, I think this is on the third day of the Congress, is one of UPLB's jewels. It boasts of a rich and diverse floral and faunal ecosystem that we hope to preserve for the next generations. Through our continuous academic endeavors, we know more about these ecosystems hold and how we can conserve them. As we close this gathering of minds, we would like to extend our utmost appreciation to everyone who took part in this event. We hope that the discussions, presentations, and workshops have provided you with a wealth of knowledge and inspiration and new connections to continue making strides in your respective fields. As you return to your home institutions, we hope you carry with you not only the lessons learned, but also fond memories of your time spent at UPLB. Our campus has been enriched by your presence, and we are eager to see how the seeds of knowledge planted here will grow and bear fruit in your work. We look forward to the possibility of welcoming you back to our university for future conferences and collaborations. Until then, we wish you safe travels and all the best in your ongoing research and endeavors. Thank you once again for your invaluable contributions to this event and to the broader academic and scientific community. Abento, Towayo, Jamatane. See you again in Austria. I hope Dr. Yap will bring the Philippine team to Austria in 2027. Again, good day to everyone.